Hello friends, today I am going to show how to make a checkerboard in cube in 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Okay, let's see how to make. Take a Rubik's cube of 3 by 3 and take any face, like I have take white color face. Okay, and now I have to make a checkerboard, so I will twist it 2 times, like 1 and 2. You can see it from left hand side. Now from right hand side, 1 and 2. Now turn it. Now again 1 and 2. Then from here also 1 and 2. So the one face we have made the checkerboard, and from opposite of one face it will be also a checkerboard. You can see. Now of other side we have to make like that only 2 times. Twist all the things 2 times. Now our all the face has made. So thank you for seeing this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.